Hey, what's up guys? My name's Steve. I'm a personal trainer in Berkeley Heights, New Jersey at Lifetime. One of the most important lifts that I do with all my clients, ranging from 76-year-olds all the way down to 16-year-old athletes, is the hinge or the deadlift. Now, when you think of the deadlift, people usually think of huge bald dudes in the gym lifting huge weight with a back strap and like chains on it. It doesn't have to be the case. A hinge is a hinge. So you can start small and progress your way up. This is a huge and crucial movement for building posterior strength all the way from the hamstrings, glutes, and lats. So we're gonna stand over this kettlebell. Now, if you're at home and you're lifting up groceries or maybe a baby or something, you wouldn't round your back like this and pick it up. You're gonna hurt your back, of course. So what you gotta do is use your posterior chain. We're not gonna squat either. What we're gonna do is hinge. So imagine you have a rope around your waist, someone's pulling you backwards, and you hinge back. Keep going, stand up, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.